Hello everyone. In this class, we will be continuing the discussion on joinings in the MySQL. In the last class, we have discussed about the inner join. In this class, we will be discussing about the left join. So first we will try to understand how the left joining will be working. So let's get into some. Okay, I have already defined the two table. So let me show that. Select star from a table. I have to mention table course. This is the course 134, and again next table will be like select star from again student something. I had it right. Yes. So ID will be 134. Remember 134 we had it in the first table, and 1 2 3 4 5. So we have a 5 columns in this one. Suppose if I want to do the joining, then how can we do that? Mention select star from table 1. You're supposed to mention. I'll be mentioning table 1 as a student. Okay, not student. I'll be mentioning course in this case first. You will get the difference. And okay, left to join, you have to mention left to join. Then second course, table name will be students on basis. So I'll be mentioning this C. Then this one I will be mentioning S. It will be alias name. C dot ID equal to S dot ID again. If both are same, it will be retrieving the information. Here you can see 134, all the information. Here course name was a left table, so it retrieve all the information from both the table. In the student ID, all the ID will be matching with the first table. That's why here no empty value. Suppose here you can see there is no match. Okay, I'll putting this course in a left right table and table. Now you can see null value and null value. So there is no information in the course, that is now right table. ID regarding ID2 and ID5, no information. So that's why it was retrieving it as an empty data set or empty value it will be retrieving. So this is how left join will be working. I hope you learned something new. In the next class, we will be continue on the right join. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.